like we actually need that to live. Like you can't buy things without money, So like what do you suggest like we should do if like
well here's the thing. You take a look at where you're living and you take a look at the cost of things, and the cost of things continue to go up, right? Whether it's gasoline, whether it's milk, whether it's food, whether it's a piece of fruit. Well, who determines that? Who determines that that price goes up? And what you exchange to buy that is time in your life that you never get back. Pieces of fruit grow every single day. They print pieces of paper or dollars every single day, but there's only one you. And the only thing that produces anything is you. This doesn't produce anything. You produce the value by your businesses, by what you're doing here with your channel, by interviewing you, by interviewing people, by going out and by finding people that you can interview. That takes time and energy and effort on your part, right? And hopefully at one point, if people see value in what you do, they will exchange this for the work that you do.